Welcome to Android Video Lesson Shorts Edition. My name is Sebastian Colbert, and in this lesson we'll learn about linear layout. Linear layout is a view group that aligns all children either vertically or horizontally. Actually, the horizontal and vertical layouts are identical, with one exception: the orientation attribute. This attribute allows you to specify the layout direction. A horizontal list will only be one row high, the height of the tallest child, plus padding. A linear layout will respect margins between children and the gravity of each child. In a vertical orientation, all children of linear layout are stacked one under the other, so there will be only one child per row, no matter how wide they are. Linear layout also supports assigning a weight to individual children with the layout weight attribute. This attribute assigns an importance value to a view in terms of how much space it should occupy on a screen. Here we see how to create equally weighted buttons horizontally. Also, when using weights, it is recommended to use 0dp for layout width attribute to improve performance. A varied weight can also be created. A larger weight value allows it to expand and fill any remaining space in the parent view. Default weight is 0. Here are the steps. Declare the weight sum, usually 1, at the layout level. Each view gets a portion of that sum using layout weight attribute in decimal format. Total must add up to your weight sum, which is 1. As before, when using weights, it is recommended to use 0dp attribute to improve performance, this time for layout height because of vertical orientation. That is all for this lesson. Visit androidvideolessons.com/shorts to get access to source code for this and other lessons. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I wish you happy coding.